Welcome everyone. So in this module we are going to learn about another basic concept, and that one is again important one, and this is known as operators in Python. So basically operators are something that are used in any logic that performs some particular task like addition, assignment of something, or like that. And you will get to know more about the operator in the next few videos, and then it will be completely clear to you. Now for that we again create a file and save this one as operator.py, but we will save this one just oper.py so that I will not get much task in writing that again and again. So operators in Python, here this in becomes purple color because it's a keyword, and this keyword also denotes a operator, that is membership operator. And now we have types of operator. So generally in case of Python we have 7 types of operators. That includes the arithmetic operator, then we have assignment operator, after that we have third one comparison operator, and then we have logical operators, and then we have identity operators. After that we have our membership operators that are unique in Python and are very useful, and in last we have bitwise operators. So in these operators there are some operators that are very useful like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and membership operators, and some like identity operators and bitwise that are less used, but still we need to study. So one by one we are going to cover every one of these operators, and you will get to know about all of these. And if you want to study about it, so you can remember them, because there are many operators, because they have subparts. So there are notes provided in this module, you can learn from them. And that's enough about the introduction. We will continue from the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to cover our first operator, that are arithmetic operators. So generally arithmetic operators are those operators that perform arithmetic calculations on any particular syntax. Like if I have here Python 3, make sure you are running Python 3, otherwise some of the features will not work. Now here first of all we have these 7 arithmetic operators, and I have this chart here that represent the operators in Python. If you see, these are the 7 operators, and that are further divided in these. So one by one we will cover all these. So first we will consider the arithmetic operators, and in arithmetic we have these 7 operators. That is, first one is the addition. Addition, you all know something like, here I have 4 plus 5, here I have 9, and also if I want to add de plus ck dec, here I have a dec. You can also add the strings, and if you are running Python 2 then this will show an error, so make sure this one Python 3. After that addition we have the subtraction, and this is also what you all are familiar with, like 4 minus 5 I have minus 1, 9 minus 3 I have 6, but this time if I have de minus ck you will get error, because that's something understandable, you cannot subtract any string. After that another familiar operator, that is the multiply, that represents by shift plus 8, and then you have this symbol star. like 4 cross 3, we have error because here's small gap. Make sure there is no gap here. Also, one more thing here before proceeding, I want to make you know there is a module about the errors, that how we can detect the error. But before that, that's too far. One error that I want to make you know, that is the indentation error, which means that every syntax must be in proper line. Python is not a free form language like C that you can write anywhere and your code will work. Here the indentation matters. What indentation means, like if I have this thing you see here, I have a gap here, but this statement must begin from the beginning. Here I have this one from beginning, and here I will get output, but here I have not output. This is a thing most of students have already faced in data types and also going to face here. But make sure all the items will be properly indented. Like if I talk about the for loop, that is something we are going to learn in few modules after that. Or like if I have if x, and first let me define x, or we can say that if 5 greater than 2, then here you see it's indented. If you try to write before this thing, like if you write here and there, you will get error. So this is something you have to focus on, that you will not get any error there anywhere. So that's what the indentation mean. So make sure your values are properly indented, and rest about the error we will learn in the error module. After that, where we are on the multiply operator, that is 9 star 2. Here we have the 18, and after that we have our next one, that is division operator, that is 8 by 2, we get 4.0. And here, similar to the division operator, if I use double division for the same thing, like here I have 8 divide and 2, you will get an integer value same as this one. So if I have 9 by 2, I have 4.5, and if I have 9 divided by 2, I have 4. So this one is the round off, like we are getting, while in numbers I have shown this one in Python 2.7. There we are getting only the integer values. That's because in 2 default values are round off, but in Python 3 we have default values as float because they are more accurate, and to get the round off values we use double division. After that we have these two. So these are less used and less known by the person, but they are also important. The fifth one is known as the percentage operator. What it does, like 9 percentage 2. Here we will get 1. I think you will get this one, but this thing is, so this is basically known as the remainder. That is when I divide 9 by 2, that is the 8 is divided by 4 and 1 is left. So this is the left portion. Like if I divide 8 percentage 2, I will get 8 percentage 3, I will get 2. That's because 6 is divisible and 2 is left there. So here we have this percentage as the remainder operator. And the last one, that is the double star. So what the double star is basically power operator. If I have double star here and then 2, you will get 36. That is the square of 6. And one more thing also, Python is very fast in calculation. You can make anything like 126 star 4. You will get result in seconds. That was the something that also make the Python famous, and you can make any kind of big calculation. And also I have shown you in numbers, when we are making the numbers, the precedency and associativity. So make sure that in these operators you always use the precedency as per your requirement, so that you will not get the wrong output. As we have seen there, we get different outputs but we require something else. So that is the arithmetic operators and enough for them. And I hope you understand all of these operators, because all these are something basic that everyone knows in mathematics. So now remove this thing. Now we will move to assignment operators in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so we are done with the arithmetic operators. Now in this video we will cover the assignment operators. So these are the second types of operator. In this chart this is third one, but here we have this one in second. So generally we have 8 types of assignment operators. And what does the assignment word refer? So assignment word basically means assigning a value. So you can assign any value to anything. What that means is, like if I have here Python 3 and I have x equal to 3. Here what I am doing here is I am assigning x a value that is equal to 3. So here we have first operator, that is equal. This is not the equality operator. Maybe I have also told you about this one in numbers. This is assignment operators, that it's giving that value, particular value, to any variable. So all these operators here do the same thing but in different way. Like if I use, here I have already x is equal to 3, and if I use x plus equal to 1, then my x will become 4. And what does happen here is something like I have already x is equal to 3, that is the value I have assigned to x by using the first operator. Then I have used second operator to increment the value of x by 1. And if I told you, so there are only 3 types of these operators that are going to be needed in any situation. Rest 5 are not used anywhere. Till now I have not even used these 5 operators in any program. And this is not just one. You can give anything like x plus equal to 5, then your x will become 9, so that you can assign any increment value. So here I am assigning increment value, then in the next I am assigning decrement value like x minus equal, and if I decrement 8 it will become 1, and if I again x equal plus equal 2, then it will again become 3. So that are the assignment operator. Rest operations are also like this one. If I have x star equal to 3, you know what you will get, that is 9. It will multiply this previous value with 3. Now you think that why I should not just use plus operator to do this thing. So these things are just to assign the particular value in increment, decrement, multiple division form, that you can also, yes, surely you can also do this thing with that. But these things are used in loops, where you need to automatically increment or decrement the values by any particular value. So there these things are used. And rest we have 5 more methods here. You can perform these also, like x divide equal to 3. What will I get? Again 3.0. Then I have the percent operator, like x percentage equal to 2. So what I will get here? 1, because 2 is divisible, the remainder is 1. And if I then first I use plus equal to 2, I have again x equal to 3. Now I will use the power assignment operator, that is x star equal to 2. What will I get here? 9. And if I use the last one, x divide equal, and then with 3. Here I have syntax error, maybe sorry, I have used double equality operator, because in this one also we have single. So here this one is not double, I have written this one mistakenly. So here I have divide equal 3. So here what will I get? 3.0. So that's about the assignment operators. I hope you understand these operators also. And Done with this one also. Now just left with 5 more operators. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to cover the comparison operators. We are done with the arithmetic and assignment, and now here we have the comparison, in which we have 6 types of operator, which are also I have written here. So just like the others two, arithmetic means that perform the mathematical calculations, assignment means that assign some values. Now comparison means that compares two different values. And how that work? So here I have Python 3 and x is equal to 3, y equal to 3, and z equal to 5. Now if I have first one, that is equality operator. Here this one is equality operator. If you want to compare two things that are equal, then always use double equal to. Then if I use x equal to y, I will get true. So here we also use the Boolean data type that I have told you that we use them in specific conditions. Now if I have x equal to z, then this is false because this is not equal to. And one more thing, this second operator, this one is just the opposite of first one. Like if I use x not equal to, this one is referred as not equal to z, then I will get true. That's because x equal to z, x is not equal to z, that's why I have false. But if x not equal to z, in that condition what I will get true, because x is not equal to z. This is what I am specifying here, that my x value is not equal to z. And if I use x not equal to y, so here I believe you will think that what I will get, that is false, because x is equal to y. So not equal to operator will give false. So that's the equal and not equal operator. After that we have greater than equal to, less than, and less than equal to operators. Like if I have x greater than z, what I will get? Of course false, because it's not greater than. But if I use x less than z, I will get true. And one more, if I have x greater than y, I will get false, because they are not less or greater, they are equal. But if I use x greater than equal to y, I will get true. And same if I use x less than equal to y, I will again get true. So these are the 6 comparison operators that are used in Python, and I believe you also understand this one by these examples here, that how they work. You can also perform these calculation on numbers like 3 less than equal to 9, I will get true. But if I have 9 greater than 10, I have false. So that's what the operators here, and that's how you can operate them. Either use the variable values or you can directly use the constants. So thanks for watching, and we will continue in the next video.